Normally, you would think that if you go into a supermarket and you buy packaged foods, the food packaging is safe. And that is the case as long as you define safety as meaning it complies with the current regulations. But if you define safety as meaning there aren't any hazardous chemicals that leach from the food packaging into the food, then unfortunately, you're wrong. And what I'm even more concerned about is that there are unknown, untested chemicals that are leaching from food packaging into food as well. So the study that we published recently, it's called A Vision Towards Safer Food Contact Materials, Public Health Concerns as Driver. It lays out an approach or a conceptual framework for testing food packaging and food contact materials to ensure that they are fully safe. So not just safe in the sense of they comply with current regulatory requirements, but fully safe in the sense that they do not leach hazardous chemicals or untested chemicals into foodstuffs. And we came up with this concept of the 6 clusters of disease. So these are chronic, non-communicable diseases that are increasing in the human population globally. So that's cancers, it's cardiovascular disease, but it's also reproductive disorders, immunological disorders, brain-related disorders, and metabolic diseases. And all of these disease clusters actually are plausibly linked to chemical exposures, hazardous chemical exposures. And so what we're saying is we need to test all the chemicals that are in food contact materials for their propensity to impact any of these chronic diseases.